I'm getting crafty and nerding out with a new geeky DIY project for you guys. I'm so excited for this video because it is the start of Mulan week, yeah! I'm bringing you a brand new Mulan themed DIY video every day this week to celebrate the release of the new movie coming out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring that bell so you can be notified when all the awesome Mulan inspired projects come out this week. There'll be a new one tomorrow and the rest of the week. Today, we'll be making Mulan's a super cute fan from the matchmaker scene out of scrapbook paper and popsicle sticks. So let's get down to business.
The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna grab a piece of 12 by 12 scrapbook paper and you're gonna cut it in half. I did this by measuring 6 inches and then using my X-Acto knife to cut down the middle along my ruler. My scrapbook paper had sparkles on it and I thought it was so cute, so I just had to get it. Now we're going to accordion fold one of the pieces of scrapbook paper that we cut. We're gonna do this with 1/2 inch folds. And I did this using my ruler to help make the line straight. You can do this freeform if you want, but I found it easier to do with my ruler because this piece of scrapbook paper was a little thicker than most, so it kind of helped keep the line straight. So you'll do each of the folds in 1/2 inches. And you'll just continue to go back and forth until you have your whole piece of paper folded so it looks like an accordion. Now we're gonna add some cute elements to our fan. On Mulan's fan, she has holes in the top of her fan, so we're gonna add those by grabbing a 1-hole punch and punching holes in the top of the fan 1 fold at a time. Then you're gonna grab 2 popsicle sticks. These ones are the big popsicle sticks, so they're a little bit wider than the normal ones you would get for popsicles. Then you're gonna take 1 popsicle stick and put some hot glue on top, and you're going to glue 1 edge of the fan to this popsicle stick. Then you're gonna grab your second popsicle stick, put some hot glue on it, and you're going to glue it to the other edge of the fan. Now you're going to take your hot glue and you're going to put it between each of the folds on the bottom section of your fan. This is the side opposite of the holes that we made. This will make it so that our fan tapers in at the bottom and looks like Mulan's fan. I used hot glue for this because the paper I was using was pretty stiff, but you can use any like Elmer's glue or anything else that you feel like would work better for this and be a little bit more flexible. And you want to do this on both sides of the fan. All the folds on one side and then the folds on the other side. This will make it so that they all stick together. After you have all of your glue in, I just wrapped a hair tie around the bottom to make sure that it would dry together and stay in that shape that we wanted. Then you're going to get some thin red ribbon and you're going to measure 14 inches of it. This will be used to help tie our fan together when we're not using it and help it look pretty cute. Once all the glue is dry, you can take the hair tie off the bottom of the fan and you can furl it out so that it tapers at the bottom and opens up at the top. Now you're going to take your piece of ribbon and you're going to glue it to one side of the popsicle sticks up at the top. Once the hot glue is dry, you can tie it together in a little bow and it makes your fan look super cute when you're not using it. Then all you have to do is untie the ribbon, unfurl your fan, and you can use it as much as you want. And you have a super cute Mulan inspired fan to cool you down.
I love this fan as much as I do. I would love to see pictures of your guys' creations. You can send me those on Twitter and Instagram and I'll leave the link down below for you guys. There'll be a brand new Mulan inspired DIY for you guys tomorrow. So stick around for the rest of Mulan week and click the playlist right here. It'll have all the projects from this week in one handy dandy spot. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another DIY project where we get crafty and nerd out.